If you want to retouch a photo in Lightroom Mobile and keep it looking clean and natural, you're in the right place. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to use the Retouch feature inside Lightroom Mobile so you can improve your images without making them look over-edited. This is perfect for portraits, selfies, and even photos where you want to smooth small distractions while keeping real texture. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom Mobile tips and editing guides. All right, let's jump in. First, open Lightroom Mobile on your phone and choose the photo you want to edit. You can import an image from your camera roll or open one that's already in your Lightroom library. Once your photo is loaded, look over to the right panel and open the Actions section. This is where Lightroom gives you a set of smart editing tools that can help speed up your workflow. Depending on the image, you may see options like Auto, Enhance, Subject, Retouch, and other useful quick actions. Now tap on Retouch. Lightroom Mobile will analyze the image and show you simple retouch options based on what it detects in the photo. This can include face details, skin, hair, clothing, and other areas that may need cleanup. The great thing about this tool is that it's designed to make targeted improvements without requiring you to manually brush over everything yourself. Once the retouch options appear, start with the area you want to improve. If you're working on a portrait, you'll usually want to focus on the face first. You may see controls for blemishes, skin, and hair. Use the blemish option to reduce small spots or distractions on the skin. Then adjust the skin setting carefully so the photo still looks realistic. A little goes a long way here because the goal is to clean up the image, not to remove all natural detail. If your photo includes visible hair detail, you can also use the hair adjustment to refine stray strands or tidy up the overall look. For clothing, Lightroom may give you tools that help smooth wrinkles or reduce small imperfections in fabric. Again, make sure to keep the adjustments subtle so the image still feels natural and believable. As you make changes, zoom in and compare your before and after. This helps you see whether the retouching is improving the photo or if it's starting to look too heavy. If needed, back off the effect a little and make smaller adjustments until it feels balanced. A clean retouch should enhance the image, not distract from it. After you finish adjusting the retouch settings, take one last look at the full photo. Make sure the face still has texture, the skin still looks real, and the overall edit matches the style you want. When you're happy with the result, simply save or export the photo from Lightroom Mobile. And that's how to retouch in Lightroom Mobile in a clean and natural way. It's fast, beginner-friendly, and a great skill to use whenever you want your photos to look more polished. If this video helped you, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next editing tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.